guys, welcome to another episode of how to make money on cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to share with you a platform that was launched on the 13th of July 2020. It's a very new one and it is incredibly amazing. Okay, just like other platforms where you have the Forsage and all that, but this is really amazing. It's working with very good features and new ones too. So I would like you to have your pen and have your paper as you just learn how this works, because I'm going to take you step by step on how it works and how you can do so much. So sit back and watch this video, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Now, before I continue, I would like you to understand what these three powerful tools are. Now, one is Ethereum. You might know that Ethereum is the second fastest growing cryptocurrency to the Bitcoin at a rate value of $232 to $238. Second is the blockchain. Now, the blockchain is simply a coded program or platform where all cryptocurrency trades, transactions, and information are kept and stored. The last one, which is the smart contract. This is programmed platform where you trade your Ethereum and earn or make your money. Now, you have to trust me when I say that these three are generally changing the way we do our business online, and the whole operation is truly incredible. Now, note that this operation or trade or means of earning does not require any middleman or broker or any form of personal or public entity to hold your money for you. You earn directly into what is called a wallet, and this massive process of accumulating money is speedily changing the world today. If you know the Forsage or the Million Money contract, it will interest you to know that the early earners or the early starters have earned millions of money. The Forsage alone has 6,000 users. I too joined the Forsage, but very late, and because of that it was very hard for me to earn there. And the reason for this video is that you need to be smart about this opportunity. Now, because of this, a newly launched opportunity to earn has arrived, and again at your doorstep, and it is called the LIONSHARE Smart Contract. The LIONSHARE Smart Contract comprises of two platforms, which is the L1, which is level 1, and the L2, which is the level 2. Each of these levels offers 16 tables to earn your Ethereum, making it a total of 32. Now, as you can see in the chart on the first slot of the L1, you clearly see the three dots. Now, these dots are payments made to you and your upline. The dots painted yellow goes to your upline, while the ones painted white goes to you. For example, let's say that all the first, or at the first slot, you get 3 people or 6 people, 2 payments from 2 people, which is the dots painted white, goes to you, while your upliner has the yellow dot. Now, because you got 6, it recycles again, and the same thing repeats itself. On the second slot, 2 payments goes to your upline, while the other payment goes to you. It continues like that and like that and like that till you get to the final slot. Now, the good news there is this: Because this smart contract is new, just being a few days old, you stand the chance of making it huge. So if you join my group, you are going to make serious money, trust me. Now in level 2, you will see the dots painted blue. These ones are also payments for your upline. Any dot that is painted blue goes to your upline, and you earn the rest. There is a lot in this contract. If you do not repair and you are in the level 2, you can also earn. But then, you have to trust me that you are going to earn massively when you repair. Now, understanding that all earnings are also on Ethereum. Now, to start in this amazing contract, all you need to do is quickly download your token wallet or your trust wallet. This is how it looks like. Create an account on it and fund it with 0.055 Ethereum. You can also use token wallet for your mobile and MetaMask wallet for your desktop. With these, you are now entitled to register in the LIONSHARE Smart Contract. Now guys, this contract is so good. Like, it is amazing, it's incredible. You might think that you cannot do it, that you cannot refer people, but hey, everybody knows about Ethereum. Okay, the only thing that scares people, which I understand, is that people are scared because of the scams that go online and all that. But then they have heard that this works. All they are looking for is someone who is trustworthy, who will lead them. Okay, so that is the reason for this video. I am here to lead you, I'm here to guide you. Alright, so join this group. And the one good thing about this group is that we carry people along. But as a matter of fact, the group is going to practice the 3x3 metrics, meaning that you'll be getting 3 downliners from the group. That is amazing. Okay, so the earlier you sign up, the earlier you stand to the chance to achieve lots of offers from LIONSHARE Smart Contract. So do not think about missing this opportunity. I will be dropping the link at the description section of this video too. So this link, click through the link and join, or you can contact me through my Skype ID at the channel ask section of my channel, or as well through my number, which I will drop also on the description section. So thank you guys, and seize this amazing lifetime opportunity.
And please subscribe and hit the notification button, as I'll be sharing with you more amazing videos on how to be successful using the cryptocurrency and other online digital platforms. So see you in my next video.